don't know. Love you. I'll be back in about 30 minutes.
Sounds good.
Ow!
Gorgeous out.
Yeah?
Yep.
I just filled up oil. Tire pressure was a little low in the front.
Okay.
I checked the oil. It was a little low, so I just finished putting a little bit more in. It's good to go.
Cool.
Yeah.
Have fun. Be safe.
All right.
People are a little crazy.
Oh, of course.
But it's not bad out there. It's not too busy.
Okay.
So, love you, baby.
I love you, sweetie. I'll see you in a little bit.
Yep.
Here we go. Hello, and welcome back to the Millie Life. We are back on the bike. Woo! February 2023, and it is 62 degrees outside after being in the teens last weekend. But we're not here to talk about the weather, so I'm just happy that I'm out riding. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. I am the owner of the Millie Life and the Millie Life YouTube channel. I am so freaking pumped that you have tuned in today. I post new motorcycle videos every Thursday and new exercise videos throughout the month. If you'd like more of the Millie Life, you can find us on social media at the Millie Life, all one word. Follow us there. I have all of my recording gear, all of my riding gear, and all of my new apparel listed in the links below, so make sure you check those out there. Today, this is the first time I've been out vlogging in a minute, and I wasn't really sure what I wanted to talk about. Prior to getting on the bike, it's probably been about a month, maybe even longer than that, since I've ridden, just because of the weather and schedules and all those lovely things called life. Before you guys saw me getting on the bike, a good thing to do, especially if you haven't ridden in a while, is to check your tire pressure, make sure that is up to date with what your manual recommends, and then check your oil. My oil was a little bit low, so I added some more to the tank just before I headed out. Let's go. I should have worn maybe one more layer. It is 62 out, but still a little chilly. The wind is hitting my wrists and you can feel it for sure. We are getting a new cat today. Our boy Rio, he died at 6 months old. We had adopted him and his sister, and he got pneumonia, and then some sort of central nervous disease was at play there, and he just never recovered. Despite our best efforts to, we used a nebulizer. We were at the vet like every week trying different medications, and just nothing was really helping. We are adopting a new cat today. His adopted name is Linus, like from Peanuts, but we are going to change his name to Rip. If you guys are familiar with the show Yellowstone, we will now have Rip and Beth, two of our favorite characters. If you haven't checked out that show, you should absolutely check it out. It's pretty amazing. It's on Peacock and Paramount Plus. Got that going on today, and of course I left my vlog up to the very last minute. I came home from work and I was just not feeling motivated to get out and ride, even though it was so freaking beautiful out. I want to know if you guys have ever felt stuck before. I want to know what you guys do when you feel stuck. Because for me, I had an hour, 2.5 hours before our boy Linus gets dropped off, right? So plenty of time to get out and vlog. So I wait until I have 30 minutes left until he gets here to head out the door. I am just feeling stuck. I am feeling kind of short on content and creative time to produce that content. And I'm not quite sure what to do about it right now. Okay, something feels really weird with my front tire. I'm gonna have to have Matt check that out. I'm gonna head back. Something seems off. I've been doing a lot of Google Trend searches, which is where I found the motorcycle chariot last week, which was fantastic. I had a YouTube channel, Northern Paradise, comment on my video that they are actually currently building a motorcycle chariot that will be convertible into a snowmobile chariot, not for racing, but for fun. When I first started vlogging, I just felt like the ideas were popping up all over the place, that it was really easy, and I guess I was also making a lot of customizations to my bike, so I did have a lot of content there. But right now I feel kind of stuck. So if you guys have any suggestions beyond, searching for Google Trends and Google search terms and kind of doing some research on the internet about what's going on in the motorcycle world, leave them in the comments below. I've also thought about switching to one motorcycle video a month, and really putting a lot of time and effort in doing more of like an interview style setup, where there'd be pieces of vlogging, there'd be interviews with mechanics, different people in the motorcycle world and non-motorcycle world, put together a really informational but very dense video instead of trying to bang one out every week. Tonight I'm actually jumping on with Doc Harley. He is a Harley mechanic, and I am going to be interviewing him for a video that will be coming out in the next couple of months. I'm hoping to interview a couple of different people, so stay tuned for that. But what do you guys want to see? What content are you... Oh, there's something really weird with my wheel. What content are you guys wanting to see more of, less of, none of? Today is just not my best riding day. You can tell that I've got a little bit of the rust on the tires, and there's something funky going on with that front wheel. Back to the house and have Matt hop on my bike. He can feel anything with that front wheel. I checked the pressure, so it's not the pressure. It just feels like it's almost flat in parts. Especially when I turn, it just feels unstable. Hey babe, will you come take a look at my bike? Like, just super unsteady in turns, and maybe it's just that I haven't ridden in a while, but
it's pretty bald.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But,
But
what is that?
I don't know. No, that's why. But, could you do me a favor and sit on it for me?
Yeah.
And tip it up for me?
Yeah.
And we'll,
Okay, ready? I'm tipping her up.
I wonder if it came. Probably why.
What?
These ones are loose. I wonder if we've lost some wheel links, maybe. I don't know. You'll need a new front tire soon. Let me check one thing.
Yeah.
Well, the front tire is not loose. Yeah, babe, it might just be new front tire time. Just another $200 and some.
All right, so we looked at the tire, definitely balding in the front. Might be time for a new front tire. He checked out the weights. He said some of them might be loose on the side, but he's going to take a little ride around and see what's going on. And we've got 2 minutes till the cat arrives. It's a sick looking bike.
Yeah, that's not normal.
Yeah, it feels weird, right?
Something's up with it. If you look at the shape of it, that's what I'm concerned about. It's like pointed. It's coming to a point. See it?
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
something's up.
It's
Even
not.
when you turned and I turned the wheels, like, what the fuck? Why is it sticking?
Yeah, like when I got it off of there, it was, you could hear the rubber sticking.
Vibrating really bad, so.
Yeah.
Well, fuck, babe. I'm sorry.
Like, it's not like we're in the middle of riding season, so now that you're pointing it out, like, look at this.
Lumpy.
It's so lumpy.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Check the air pressure in this?
Mm-hmm.
And you've put air in it?
Yep. As I was turning, I felt unsteady, and I just thought, oh, maybe it's because I'm new. Like, I haven't been on the bike in a while.
Yeah, right.
But then every turn just felt like this, like, and I didn't like how that felt. I didn't even want to make a U-turn, you know?
Jesus. It's so weird.
Very.
Rather than have like a Harley Davidson and a Kenda, or a
What is it?
Shinko.
Shinko. Sounds like Plinko from Price is Right. All right, guys. Well, trust your instincts. When something feels off, get it checked out. Yeah, I'm gonna have Matt bring it in, and we'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully it just needs a new tire and we're good to go, but I definitely did not feel very safe. All right, guys. Peace.
Let's get her up in the garage, eh?
Okay, baby. Thank you. Just a little update here. This is my old tire, the one that I was riding when I filmed this video, and you can kind of see how it's misshapen here. Yeah. So I came home today, and this is what my bike looked like. This is what my bike looked like. It's so weird to see it without the front tire on. Crazy. Matt went ahead and removed the front tire for me. Love having a husband who knows how to do YouTube mechanic work. It's fantastic. Of course, I'm learning as well, but I came home and he'd taken the tire off. So we've got 2 new tires in, but something was definitely up with my tire the last time I rode. So riding has been on pause until we can get the new tire on. We're also gonna be replacing the back tire at the same time. But in short, if something feels wrong with the bike, turn around, get off, and figure out what's going on before you continue to ride. Because it felt super fucking awkward, that's for sure. But stay tuned.